own will. You can run, but you cannot hide. This is widely known. And what you plan to do with your foolish pride when you're all by yourself alone? Once you tell somebody, hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, let me tell somebody about this. I'm showering the Mojo traders with some nice money. AMCN, which is our pick. These are tag-along trade plays in the advertising space due to the Voltari, VLTC, and Carl Icahn play in the past week. We've played AMCN. You could see it right here on the 5-minute chart in the Mojo Day Trading Room. Traders are making beautiful money on this move right here on AMCN that we purchased right down over here. Follow the mouse, okay? Look, bought that thing right there. Bing, 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 sold right there. Anything above here, we don't pay for. We already made our money. We already made our money also on SFUN on the open right here from $8, went to $8.15, went to $8.18, made money on that one. Then Vigil, ching, ching, ching on the Vigil. As I was talking about Lamar in the room, as Lamar just went through a new high, telling everybody about how the advertising space is hot, and this stock came up in my research. That's why we're in Vigil right now and AMCN. Vigil's got the wiggle at 318. I've got some traders in the Mojo swing that have blocks of 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100,000 shares of Vigil from yesterday down in the 280 range. And the people that heeded my plea not to sell and to just hold, that it was going to go above 310, here is your reward right now. And you could be banking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 off this trade, just showering the people with money. You can feel it beginning to ease. I think it's true what they say about this squeaky wheel. Always. Here's the Mojo swing trade portfolio right now. As a member of the swing trade, you get access to this model portfolio. It's a private Google Drive that has the open positions on the watch list. These are stocks that the Mojo traders can take at any time. You've got 2 up and 2 down, KUTV on the smaller side, Loan, and AWX, and this IFT on the larger side. Then you have the open positions, which we have UVXY at $13.90, less a $2 premium is $11.90, less another $1.20 is $10.20 where it is now. We're going to look to sell another covered call after that expires on May 1st. HIMIX, we're up 3 cents. PLPM right now just went through $2. It's 201, 202 range on 125,000. You could see that 5-minute bar. Someone just bought 100,000 shares of PLPM. So PLPM, 3/4 of the position's been closed, cost 188. Got a quarter left to see what happens. JetPay at 338. I'm expecting the same sort of thing. Is 330 high, hasn't really traded the volume yet. Just patience on that one. And consumer portfolio at 685, still looking for the move through $7. And all these are similar industries right here. Consumer portfolio, JetPay, and Planet Payment. Okay, so now we have the Mojo Day Trading Room beyond the swing trades. And here's what we closed out for the month: 45 out of 41 scaled in for 91%. These are the stocks. Take a look on the Mojo Day Trading website, and you could see the results. As I had an interview this morning on Benzinga Radio, you go to the Mojo Day Trading, here's the day trade and the swing trade results. So right now I'm going to do the day trading results for the Mojo Day Trading Room that go on this sheet. As mentioned, last month in March, since March 3rd right here, on trade 29, MOJO Day Traders and MOJO team has gone on a 377 trade win streak with all the named trade plays right there. It ended the whole month positive. All the blues are wins. And then you roll into April, and we hit it for the first 118 trades in April. And then we took our first loss the other day on BCLI for 20 cents on a trade play, and MNOV later in the day for 10 cents. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm going to do what we made money on today in the room and exactly how this sheet gets done, so I could show 100% transparency and that people are making money and doing this. Out of today's room, 20 people hit their goal. 2 people have not yet hit them. 1 person doubled. 3 people tripled, and everybody else that paper traded made money. And here's the money that the people made off those picks. A lot of things that we do in this room, I help out. I talk through all the trades. And if you see right here and you go up to the top, Kirill, thanks for communicating with us well before each trade. The clear communication helps all of us. Thank you, sir. Okay. AMCN, beautiful winner. Show me the money. Pro Trader CJet 500. So let me shower the people I love with love and money. Pro Trader CJet 500, $1,610. I want to show you that traders that have taken MOJO University have made big dollars compared to the other traders that may have made smaller dollars. There was a stock just now called Vigil that just went through $3. Okay. And Trader Kirill says we could have probably Heinz Vigil through 3. It went from 297 to 307. And I said, yes, but we did trade that. The traders like Kirill and Life and Brutus did not. They haven't taken MOJO University to learn the strategy with enough positive expectancy to recognize the trade play. Pro Trader Allen did the trade. Look, how many pro traders Heinz Vigil with MOJO? Benjamin did, Pro Trader. Allen did, made an extra 1,000. Pro Trader Francis did. Pro Trader Donna did. Pro Trader Rhodey did. Pro Trader Poe did. And boom, it goes up and up and up and up. Okay? Learning to be more patient. Great job. Great job, Allen, for the day with $3,010. Great job. Great job, Bohan, 212. Allen went from 2189 to 3,010 on that last trade. Yayota, 1,945. That is, out of the 20 trading days, you get 3 of the biggest. This is Yayota's biggest trading day of the month. Congratulations. You stepped up. Matter, 20 bucks today. Oh, that's not good. Made some mistakes not selling Vigil, but it went higher. You should have private messaged me. I would have helped you. Trader Life, 780. Great job. Let me show you the trades that we've done. I was watching these this morning. First trade is SFUN through $8. Long entry at 795 to 810. Got in at 805. Sold it at 815 right there. Boom. SFUN selling half and sold the rest. Average sale 814 on SFUN from 805. Made a nice little dime on that Heinz trade play. The next one we did was Vigil on a sequence to 3. Okay. On a sequence to 3 means 280, 290, and so forth. Okay. So you'll see we're going to crush it at 288. So 5,000, boom. Okay. Selling 5,000 at 91 to 92, hold half, got 2,000 left. Okay. So we sold it at 91 and 92 because after we bought it, it went down. It didn't go straight up. So I'm not looking for much on that trade play. Okay. And then got 2,000 less. Vigil, we're going to do 77 to 76. We did good on SFUN, got 400 left. We're going to buy another 10 of the Vigil, and we're going to rebuy it back at 70. We sold at 81. We're going to rebuy back at 71 and 72. So we bought at 77 and 76. And we sold at 81. 4 cents may not mean a lot, but on 1,000 shares, 2,000, 5,000, it is a decent play. So it made a stop there. And now we're rebuying back at 71 and 72. Because if you didn't sell at 81, it dropped to 72. And then we bought SYRX, and we bought 10,000 shares of that. SYRX had an average of 287. I think it was maybe a little lower. I think I sold the last at 291. We'll take a little check up top. Apple was a beautiful trade. Apple, we trade Apple in the room as well. Apple was 128.90 all in on 1,000 shares. Okay, then I bought 500 more Apple at 70, and I had an average of 128.80 because it dipped, and because I had so many shares, I could have made more on Apple, but just because it dipped, still did good on it, but didn't make as much as I wanted to because everybody else would have gotten stopped out originally, but we didn't. Vigil, we sold 276. That's a partial sell. We sold more higher. Gibson, made 7 on Gibson. Gibson was nice. Gibson through Hines. GBSN was 498 to 508. Apple, we got more at 128.85. So it was actually 128.90. And selling half of Apple here at 92 and 90 and 129.06. So we got about 129.02 on the average. We sold it through the Hines, but I wasn't looking for much. We could have gotten a lot more. Okay, I got 200 left, so we sold up a little bit higher. That'll go up a little bit more. Then we've got Gibson. It was an awesome trade to 530. We sold it at 508. Wonderful. Vigil be flat at 280. So this Vigil right here, we got another penny. Siffy, we're going to squeeze at 165. It's the lemon squeeze play right here. And we squeezed it at 165, and we sold it at 171. Cyrix, I'm selling it. I'm up 2 cents on Cyrix. So that's 289 to 91. Siffy selling 3/4 into the high at 175. I sold 171. Cyrix flat, Apple flat, and VLTC we traded from 1377 stopping station to 1417. Good job. Alan did 1,000 shares of that one. So these are the trades that the traders are making. AMCN, we bought at 55, is now at 5. So they go a lot higher, but we already make our money on it. That's all that matters. So this was a 457 average and sold at 466, got a quarter left. It was actually sold at 470 average. And glue, we're going to go long at 527. And then AMC flat at 7 and Vigil sold at 311 from 303. And these are the trades that have been called out in the room. Actually, I sold more at 3. I sold more at 16, so I got another penny. I got 312. And that was a stopping station through the Hines. That was a second tapper. And that's how we finished the day, with 166 trades and 164 right for the month, with the average scalp of 20 cents. Here's the MOJO Day Trading Room and the traders that will attest and verify that they've made that money. There they are, 70 of them left in the room. Say hello, everybody. There's MOJO corporate office right back there. There you go. Pro traders, thank you guys. Pro Trader Mike is about done for the day. Let's take a look at what we got. We've got, let's see here. Glue bounced beautifully off 527. We could sell that for the nickel. Beautiful bounce. Textbook. Vigil's beautiful. Went to 325 on Vigil. SFUN bounced nicely off 8 again. I mean, we're just golden in the MOJO Day Trading Room. The nice trade was Apple right here. Let me show you the signal, and I'll give you a little education on Apple. Apple, I was showing everybody right here in the level 2. I looked at the chart. I must admit, I told everybody I don't look at charts. However, I did. Here's what I looked at, these first 2 volume bars, just to make sure that it was moving up in the right favor on Apple. Here's your signal at 129. You see the large institutional ask. That's 98,500 shares at $129 a share. So the normal person that would look at that would say 98,000 shares. That's $12,642,000 worth of stock. There's no way in the world you can get me to buy that there. Well, if you didn't, it's 947.24. All of a sudden, at 10:06, 1/2 hour later, here's what happened. There's your first 2 bars that I saw. Here's your V band that's created right here. Sell, sell, sell. Boom. Went to 129.72. So if you missed that signal right here at 129, it went up 70 cents after that signal within 30 minutes. And that's the MOJO Hines trade play, rolling through the number, because it didn't even move at 129, 129.90, 96, 97, 98. It was chilling. All of a sudden, boom. You got your volume coming in. You got your money being made. And that's the MOJO. Look at the volume coming in. Got the money being made. And that's what we do. Hola, everybody. Pro Trader Mike signing off. We're done for the day. We do the same exact thing tomorrow. We're going to keep it profitable, and that's what we're going to do. So right now it is 10:49. MOJO traders, there are 20 days per month. 18 out of the 20 were usually done by 11. Today we're done at 11. I should have changed 10 to 11. Today we hit our goals. Therefore, the day's over, and the room is going to close down with the picks. We conduct them as a business, high probability trades. This thing goes out every day. Listen, Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable. So that we waited to be home. I know things are gonna be just fine if you only get home. What I'd like to do to you, shower the people you love with love. Show them the way